In this video, I'm going to show you how to generate videos on Dola AI app. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to press the button at the bottom middle. So where it says create, you want to simply tap on the plus button. And then in here, you want to switch over to video up top. Now, inside here, of course, you can add a reference if you wanna, or you could just go ahead and basically start from scratch and describe the video you want. So I'm going to tap on the reference over here, and I'm going to use this image here as a reference, and I'm going to type in a rainbow appears, okay? Like this, there we go. And then you can of course select the model, you can select the aspect ratio, and you can go and basically select the duration as well. So I'm going to do 5 seconds, and I'm going to keep the original of course aspect ratio because I added the image itself, so I can't actually change it. And then you want to tap on the blue icon, the arrow on the right, and it's going to start generating your video. So as you can see here, there we go, the video is going to be ready in 1 to 3 minutes, and of course it's going to basically let you know whenever that's done. So I'll come back to whenever that's finished and I'll show you the final result. Okay, so as you can see, the video has been generated down here at the bottom, and I can tap on it to preview it, and as you can see, it's a 5-second video of exactly what I told it to be, okay? So it's like a rainbow which is forming over this landscape over here. I can now save it, I can share it in the top right, or do whatever I want with it. So that's how to generate videos on Dola AI app. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.